Oh, so close, so close. Just ran out of argon. Gotta burn in this hanger, the one on the other side. One last weld here. This is the 3-inch. It's a MagnaFlow knockoff. I would usually use MagnaFlow for 304 stainless, but this is a 409 Summit Racing knockoff, but it is a true 3-inch offset outlet into 3-inch piping, manual vent piping, into a China resonator, into a FlowFX. This is the longest 3-inch I could find for this application, basically to fit nice, into a flex pipe, into a V-band clamp. I chopped the end of the header off and I put on that transition there, sort of like a megaphone, onto this bullshit header. So that's basically it. It is almost ready to go. I need some 1/16 NPT plugs ×4 for the engine, just to block off vacuum leaks. So you probably know what I'm doing with that. And that'll do it. So I hope this exhaust isn't too loud. But the whole plan here is to be discreet. And I think it looks pretty good. I hung the, not bad. Yeah, but should I bomb it black? I might bomb it black. I might just adjust those welds a little bit and then bomb it, yeah, black. But I hope I don't get pulled over. I think the one reason I'm gonna get pulled over in this thing is because it's so damn dirty. But the exhaust, you can't really see it. Well, it is super shiny. So yeah, I think I'm gonna bomb it black just to not maybe draw as much attention to it. All right, so there it is. Hope to be running soon. I keep saying that, but I don't really have much time to spend out here. All right, yeah, stay tuned. Running soon, I hope.